Naman siguro, unang-una, the former First Lady is a very, hindi naman natin sabihin baka magalit sa atin na matanda, pero may edad na kasi, no? Unang-una, we have to take into consideration the edad, the age, no? In any arrest or anybody for that matter, that has to be taken into consideration. The health, the age, isa yun, no? Alam naman natin na nandyan siya.
Hihilain ko yan. Hihilain ko yan. Ako maniwala ka, hihilain ko yan. Kakong manas. Pero hihilain ko yan. So, President, ako kung masusunod dito ngayon, reklamo niyo lang. Gusto niya kang sabi para lang naiklaro. Sino? Walang mas mata sa akin. Ako na ang commander dito. Sir na ako, sir.
Diretso rin niyo ako sa aeroplano?
Yes. Okay, sir. Your lawyers are witnesses. You can always file.
You have to kill me.
It's not our intention.
You have to kill me to bring me to Hague.
It's not our intention, sir. It's not our intention. It's not our intention, sir. Casey?
Sir, di ba siya po yung talaga?
You know that you've done your duty. Okay? You've done your duty.
Lalayan lang si Presidente.